I arrived my new panel. Looks very nice. Is metal. Is much smaller than previous one, and I think it will be very nice in the motorcycle. This is my oldest one. Of course, I have much more functions, but the basic ones I have on this one, so I think it will be fine. I have some extras like a turn signal. I have also oil. I have lights, neutral. That's I don't have in the small one. But I have some experience riding motorcycles. I think it will be totally fine with this one. My plan was going to the gas cable and clutch cable, but I take a look and both. I need to change both. I need. I couldn't fix. So is this? I'm going for the new panel now. My headlights. It's nice. And the brackets. Good. Looks nice.